Hey, Double P here, and welcome. So, in today's end of the day trading recap, let's kind of just go over the trade today. The trade I sent out to you guys and girls was NVDA. So, we've been pounding NVDA for quite a bit now. It's one of those things where we can either take the long side or the short side. I prefer to play both sides of the market. My mentor has always told me, why would you only want to get one piece of the market when you can get both pieces of the market, right? So we get both pieces of the market. So we go long, we go short. You always get what the market gives you. So let's get into the trade. First of all, here's my account right there. Margin account, full-blown margin account, real account. So right here, stock is in real time, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time feeds. Futures options. I don't pay for the subscription here. In the jurisdiction that I'm in, I don't get futures feeds, so I don't need them. I have them on other areas of the platform, so I don't have to pay for it. Forex, real time, others in real time, so real time live account. So let's get into the trade today because this was a monster trade. You were looking at all my price levels right here and the pivot points and the box. So let me kind of just go over this. Let me kind of go over this a little bit slowly so that you can get the end of the day recap. Just give me a second here. I got members texting me. And I got people texting me every time I try to cut a video. So if I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, I got screens up here that I'm looking at. So I'm going to walk you through everything. So let me just do this. First of all, let me just do this so that you can see this a little bit more clearly. I'm going to get rid of my study set so that you can see it. And let me change the study set over. And then I'm going to get rid of some stuff. I don't have a volume on here, so I'm going to get rid of that. You can see me do this all live in real time, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Why am I doing it? This should have already been done. So let me move that out of there. Let me move that out of there. Let me move that out of there for now. And I'll leave that because I like that. All right. So here's NVIDIA. Here's the box. Here's the box. So here are the pivot points or gravity points, right? Support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. What's the box? The box is volatility. What's the box? The box is price action. What's the box? The box is support and resistance price levels. What's the box? The box is volume, right? Every day I do this trading recap, I'm going to explain to you what I do so that I'm giving you the fish, I'm teaching you how to fish, and I'm giving you the fish, I'm cutting the fish, I'm catching the fish, I'm cutting them, I'm filleting them, I'm scaling it, I'm putting on a barbecue, I'm giving you a grilled garlic and grilled garlic butter, and I'm giving you everything, right? So that's the box. So what do? We wait, right? So inside of the box, we don't take the trade, but you see what happens. Where did NVIDIA open? NVIDIA opened up right here inside of the box, right? So you know it's going to be the death zone. This is the no trade zone, right? We're going to wait. It chops, it chops, it chops. I'm on a 2-minute candle. You can see right there. So it's chopping, chopping, chopping. Here's the takeoff, right? So I'm waiting for this to bust through all this nonsense, right? I send out the trade at 9:47 to you. right? So here's what I'm looking at. All right, let me open this up. Let me move this over here so that you see it. All right, so there's the trade right here. Why did I wait so long? Because I needed to see the momentum. I needed to see it break through this box. Look at this candle right here. Look at this wick. This is a spinning top right there with some vicious wicks. Right here, that's when I knew, all right, that's a long inverted power hammer. Look at that bottoming, topping tail bar right there. Boom, right? That's what lifts the stock up and propels it, pushes it, right? And that's when I look at taking a trade, right? So there we go. There's the trade. Now, what's this? This is mid-level consolidation. Where do we open up? NVDA hit the low of 405, opened up right around here, right? So look at that monster move right there, right? This is mid-level consolidation. There's the pullback. There's always going to be a pullback when this happens because you have to breathe. The stock has to breathe. It has to take a little bit of a rest and it has to pull back. But where does it pull back? It pulls back into the pivot points, right? And what does it do? Breaks that pivot point up for the next run. Look at that run. I'm on a 2-minute candle. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Remember what I always tell you about algorithms, how they move, how they lurch, how they move from pivot point to pivot point. What do you see here? Well, you see another pullback, right? Because you saw this big move right here. So here's a little bit of a pullback. It's got to rest before it makes that next leg up, right? You want me to show you the channels? I'll show you the channels. There's a phenomenal channel, channel 1. All right, let me move this over here so that you can see it. Let me actually move in a little bit more. These end of the day trading recaps that I'm giving you, they're about lessons to learn, and this is all happening in real time. Do you want to see the next channel? Here's the next channel. Right? So there's 3 channels that I just drew. You see how steep the slopes are, right? So channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, right? Why am I going after this trade? Here's the 200. Look at the slope and the steepness of the 200. Let me come over here. Let me show you this tool. See the 200? Do you see the slope of the 200? It's at 16 degrees. That's the slope of the 200 right here. So what's that slope? That slope is up 16 degrees, right? And it's curling, which means it's just getting stronger. You see the highs right here, it's hitting, right? 418, right? It's crazy, right? So let me move this, let me remove that channel, let me remove that channel, and let me remove that channel. Let me remove this so that you can see it. So when you have a stock that is moving, and let me draw the box for you. I don't have to draw the box, but I will draw the box so you can see exactly what's going on. This is how algorithms trade. Do you see the movement? Do you see how algorithms lurch? Pull back, step up, step up, step up. Where are we now? 418, right? I'm doing this all in real time for you so you can see exactly what's going on. You've got this inside of the course. I'm not hiding anything, right? You just have to understand and know how to draw out your levels, right? You see right here, I've got the volume profile up here. This is showing me liquidity nodes. This is showing me where overhead supply, underbelly demand, point of control, liquidity nodes, where there's movement, right? This is what the institutions are trading on. This is what the institutions are looking at. I know some people are going to say, well, you can't use volume profile intraday. That's absolutely garbage. Of course you can use volume profile intraday. Matter of fact, you should use volume profile intraday because it's showing you everything. It's showing you where all the pivot points are. It's showing you where the point of control is. It's showing you where the upper level is intraday. It's showing you where the bottom level is. This is the upper level of the volume control intraday. This is the lower level of volume control intraday. This is the point of control right here, volume control intraday. This is where the moving average is. This is where institutions are looking at all of this stuff. This is liquidity, right? This is nodes of liquidity. This is telling you exactly where all the order flow is, right? This is what the volume profile shows you. If you don't use it and you don't know how to use it, what are you going to do? How are you going to trade? I've shown you the volume profile inside of the course, right? Look at that. Look at that move on the video, right? So here's the text alert. Here's the text alert I sent out to you guys. For those of you on social media, 4:30 strike call, looking for 20% profit, minus 12%, tight stop loss, minus 12%. You see what I made there, 31.40% profit right there, because I stayed in the trade, right? Here's what I made. So let me show you what I made right here. 11.2, 31.40%. Don't copy and steal my stuff. Double P. So that was the trade. It was a monster trade. It was a great trade. All right, give me a quick second here. So you see how the algorithms lurch, step up. This is a step up. This is not a lurch. This is a step up, right? Step up, a little bit of a pullback. You got to have it. Stock's got to breathe. Another step up. Another step up. A little bit of a pullback. Another step up, right? That's what algorithms do, right? So this is my level to get out, right? Before it went down here for the pullback and the rip, right? This is why I draw out all these levels, right? That's the top of the box right there. It's the top of that box. There's your stop right there, right? After that big monster move right here, right? That's your stop right there. That's when I got out, right? And the video just keeps making higher highs for the intraday for today. So that's it from Double P. Hope you guys stayed in the trade. For those of you that are watching this that are not members of the Platinum X Power Option Traders Group, this is what we do. I'm not saying we win every day, but the majority of our days are green days. Yeah, we have the odd occasional red day. Look, the course is here. The course is outlaid for you. The course is extensive. I built the course for a particular reason. I actually built the course for myself. So I go back to my own course. I go back to my own course from time to time to look at stuff, to refresh me, to keep me sharp, to sharpen iron. And I'm learning every single day, which is what you should be doing as well. So look at this. NVDA just on a tear, right? Love it. Let's come over here to, let me come over here. I want to see what the options, Look at that already. Half a million contracts traded. What a beast NVDA is today. What a move. Wow. All right. So that's it from Double P. Hope you, wow, look at that move. That's insane. What a move on the video. Probably should have got back into the trade, but I'm good. I'm out. I'm done. Don't be greedy, right? Be disciplined. Don't be greedy. 419. What do we got here already? Let's look at this here. 419. Let me go have a look at this. I already looked at it, but I'm going to look at it again. What do we got here? $15 expected move in 2 days. Market makers say $9 for today. Let's do $12. Well, let's do 15 is 7. 7.5 plus the volatility. That's about $9. We move $9 plus or minus, so $9. This thing could possibly do $15 move today. So, you know, that's not bad from where we opened up. That's pretty good. Another $4 move. We're looking at 425 for the day. It's just moving. It's monster. Look at this monster move. This 200 is not abating. This 200 right here, intraday, is just slamming, right? And that 20, the stock is just hugging that 20 and ripping. And that 20 is on parabolic. It's on a parabolic move up to the upside. You're gonna get pullbacks, and then you're gonna get new levels, right? So it's a good day today. All right, that's it from Double P. I'll see you in the next training session. Take care, everybody.